I'm an injury attorney discussing topics relating to the loss of life or wrongful death of a loved one. As injury attorneys, we view these types of cases as one of the most serious tasks we ever take on as injury attorneys. And in some ways, I view representation of a family in a wrongful death case as trying to celebrate the life and the virtues of the person who is no longer with us. How do we put these pieces together? Well, every case has some differences, but one thing we want to do is we want to make that person speak to the claims adjusters and to the defense attorneys and to the jury if a trial is required. To do that, we collect an array of family pictures, collect videos from the family at celebrations such as Christmas and other celebrations like weddings, and we pour through this evidence to determine what is highly relevant to the case. Now, the other thing that we do in the appropriate case is we actually conduct videotaped interviews of some of the family members or relatives or loved ones. And what we are focusing on is what life was like with the person who is no longer here, that person's reaction to getting the news of the death of the loved one, and then the void and what is left now that that person is no longer alive. Convincing the other side of the virtue and value of a person's life is a process that takes a very individualized attention to the case, which was what we like to do. We feel that we really try to get deep into the family to understand as best we can the loss. And in some cases, we now actually employ a specialist called a grief counselor to actually meet with the family members. And then that person might be able to synthesize and explain to a jury some of the losses and some of the effects also. If we can help you deal with a wrongful death of a family member in a claim, please fill out a quick contact form on our website, our main law firm website, or give us a call on our toll-free number. Thank you.